Friends is a TV show from the USA. It was on TV from 1994 to 2004. Many people watched it and loved it. It is one of the most famous shows ever. The show is about six friends. They live in New York. They have fun and problems. They help each other. They spend time in a coffee shop. The show was made by David Crane and Marta Kaufman. It was on NBC. The last episode had over 52 million viewers. It was very popular. The six friends have different lives. They have different jobs, but they are very close. They care for each other. Many people like their funny stories. The main actors are Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, Matthew Perry, and David Schwimmer. They became very famous. The show had 10 seasons. Each season had many episodes. People still watch Friends today. It is on Netflix and other places. It is still loved. Friends is a comedy. It makes people laugh. It has fun stories. It also has love and friendship. The stories are easy to watch and enjoy. Many people feel close to the characters. They see them as friends. The show is about love, work, and life. It is about being with good people. Even after many years, Friends is still loved. New people watch it every year. It is one of the best TV shows. Many people know about it. The idea for Friends started in 1993. David Crane and Marta Kaufman thought of a show about young people. They wanted to make a fun and happy story. At first, the show had a different name. It was called Insomnia Cafe. Later, the name changed to Friends. NBC liked the idea and wanted to make it. The first episode was made in 1994. It was filmed in California. The show was about six young people in New York. They had love, work, and family problems. The first season was a big success. Many people watched it. They liked the fun stories and the actors. The show became very popular very fast. The writers made more episodes. They wanted to make people laugh. They also wrote stories about love and life. Every season had new fun moments. The actors became famous. People loved their characters. The show was not just about fun. It showed strong friendships and how friends help each other. The show had 10 seasons. The last episode was in 2004. More than 52 million people watched it. Even today, many people still love to watch Friends. People watch it on Netflix and other places. The stories are still fun. Many people watch it again and again. New fans also enjoy it every year. Friends is one of the biggest TV shows ever. It made people laugh and feel good. Even after many years, it is still a very special show. Friends has six main characters. They are young and live in New York. They work, have fun, and help each other. Each one has a different life. Rachel Green is played by Jennifer Aniston. She loves fashion. She starts as a waitress. Later, she works in a big fashion company. Rachel and Ross Geller love each other. Ross is played by David Schwimmer. He is a smart man. He works as a teacher and a scientist. Monica Geller is Ross's sister. Courtney Cox plays her. She is a chef. She likes to keep everything clean and perfect. She is very kind. Monica marries Chandler Bing. Chandler is played by Matthew Perry. He makes a lot of jokes. He works in an office. He is very funny. Joey Tribbiani is played by Matt LeBlanc. He is an actor. He is not very smart, but he is very friendly. He loves food and dating. Phoebe Buffay is played by Lisa Kudrow. She is a singer and plays guitar. She is very different from the others. She is kind and happy. The actors became very famous. People loved their characters. They made the show special. Fans still watch them today. The six actors stayed friends in real life. They worked together for many years. Their friendship was real, just like in the show. Friends became very popular. Many people watched it every week. It was one of the best shows on TV. The stories were fun and easy to enjoy. The show won many awards. It won an Emmy Award for Best Comedy. The actors were also nominated for awards. People loved their work. The last season was in 2004. More than 52 million people watched the final episode. It was one of the most watched TV episodes ever. The show was in the top 10 for many years. In season 8, it was number 1. Many people liked watching Friends with their own friends. The actors became very famous. They earned a lot of money. In later seasons, they were paid $1 million for each episode. The show made over $1.4 billion. Even today, people buy Friends clothes, mugs, and other things. The show is still very big. Many TV guides list Friends as one of the best shows. It is loved by people all over the world. Many lists rank it in the top TV shows. Even after many years, people still talk about Friends. Many young people watch it for the first time and love it. It is still very special. The show is on Netflix and other places. It is easy to watch anytime. Many people watch it again and again. It never gets old. Friends changed TV and pop culture. Many people copied things from the show. It was not just a show. It became a big part of life. The show made some words and phrases very famous. Joey's line, "How you doin'?" became popular. Many people started to say it as a joke. Rachel's hairstyle became famous. It was called the Rachel. Many women asked for the same haircut. It was one of the biggest trends. The coffee shop in the show, Central Perk, became very popular. Many people wanted to visit a real Central Perk. Some coffee shops copied it. Some fans opened Friends-themed coffee shops. They made the inside look like Central Perk. They played Friends episodes inside the shop. The show helped people learn English. Many people watched it to improve their language. The simple words and funny stories made it easy to understand. Many other shows tried to be like Friends. Some had groups of young people. They had fun stories and strong friendships, just like Friends. The show is loved in many countries. People from different places enjoy it. It is not just an American show. It became a worldwide success. Friends is more than a TV show. It is a big part of culture. It still makes people laugh, learn, and feel happy after many years. In 2021, the cast came back for Friends. The reunion. It was a special show. They talked about old times. Fans were very happy to see them again. The reunion was not a new episode. The actors did not play their characters. They shared memories and talked about the best moments from the show. Many people watched Friends, the reunion. It was on HBO Max. Fans from all over the world watched it. They still love the show after many years. Even today, many people watch Friends. It is on Netflix and other streaming services. New fans watch it for the first time every year. The show is always on TV. Many people watch the same episodes again and again. The jokes and stories are still funny and nice to watch. The actors still make money from the show. They get money from reruns. Friends is one of the biggest TV shows ever made. Many people still buy Friends things. They buy t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Some coffee shops look like Central Perk. The show is still everywhere. The show is also on social media. Many short clips from Friends are on Instagram and TikTok. Young people share the best moments. Friends will always be special. It made people happy in the past. It still makes people happy today. It will always be a great show.